Hello! Ito na naman tayo. Vlog tayo. Ito yung Shein natin. Unbox natin. Mga guys. Ayan. Dito lang tayo mag-unbox. Ito sa labas.
Wala ah. Lablab nga kita eh.
Ayan. Unbox natin. So, ang dami.
Uy, ang ganda ng gising ko. I like it.
Diba?
Ay, grabe. Ang dami oh. Hi.
Ayan.
This is my gift. Jessa.
Isa-isahin mo naman, day.
Gising. Mga ko. Yes.
Medium size ang ano. Yan small?
Passion. T-shirt. Ito, potro. Ano to?
Kising. Kay ano yan? Kising yan kay Rose.
Yes.
Ilagay ko na ngayon talaga.
Ito.
Ito. Lagay na. Sarap.
Talaga. Inuntog talaga.
Yes! It's Triumphs! Oh my God!
Sa'yo lahat yan, Ray.
Oh, this is mine. All mine.
Salamin ko.
Ay, kukunayin! Buta na lang kukunayin na nakatapos na ako.
Ito talaga.
Ano, buksan mo naman yan. Ano pala yan?
Ano to?
Ano yan, Grace? Grace, ano yun? Maganda. Akin yun.
Asan? What is that? This one. Trrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
Kay Raj yan.
Wow, bags,
Oh,
bags.
gabi na mamaya. Bukas na, maningin.
Wala gani kami duty pila ka adlaw, di ba?
Oo, sige, mamaya kayo
Kaya
nun.
di up man to, di ba? Tapos mahiram ka sa akin 2 KD. Naalala mo
kanina
'tong
to.
50 piso?
Oh, glow na naman. Pang
50 na di up na ha. Paid na ko.
Sige, okay.
Ano sa akin doon?
May. Kung na ano order ko liwat ha.
Lagay sa side na yun, hihila ako. Ano sa'yo?
Ay gusto ko to.
Wow!
Ano yan?
Ano mo yung salamin?
Oh, glow mo.
Try mo. Dalawa, tingin. Kay dagay
Yay!
ni balik ko.
Uy, ang daming extra.
Bakit tayo pang stripe?
Hindi akin yun. Wow, wow, kissing.
Kanino yung stripe?
Wow, this is mine. Mine. Alin, ito?
Suot mo na. Parang ito yung design niyo. Akin na.
Ano ba?
Eh,
Ay, ang daming gamit, oh.
Wala hindi ganito. Balik.
Oh, di ba? Oh, kanina to mga kissing. Yung ganito ko na puti, wala pa. Day,
Kaninong isa? Di ba ya?
may dalawa na to. Nasaan yung isa?
oh, 50-50 lang yun.
Oh, kanina to.
Akin yung akin. It's mine.
Bra.
Te,
Ah, this is the third package. Hi,
kay Raj
banana.
yan.
Wow!
Kaya,
Wow! Akin kay Asisto. Alam mo naman siya, puro kay Assist. Oh, puro kay Assist. Oh, my bra. Ano ba order mo?
tingnan mo doon. 51.
Ah, this one, the white one. Yes. This is
Ano
mine.
gagawin natin? 51 di ba ang nilagay ko doon? Kung ano yung inano nyo mo, yun din.
Oh, ang daming damit. Kaya na to po spray dye.
Yan.
Oh, ito
Yung
na.
pang-spray ng cellphone.
Oh, siguro.
Ito yun?
Mm-mm.
Tapos yung
Wala na laman yan, no?
Alamin yan.
kanino to?
Na kay Rat yan.
Akin yan, kabilaan.
Ay, oh, sige, kabagilaan, oh.
Uy,
Mayroon pa ako pang ipit ng buhok. Pin.
Ha?
Pin.
oh,
Oh,
kanino to?
meron pa.
Tingin, pin.
Tama na, Grace. Tama na, Grace.
Uy, yung isa akin.
Tama na, Grace. Tingnan mo dyan. Di mo makikita kasi para kang ano, timang-timang.
Ayan o.
Hindi, may isang set. Yung isang set,
Ayan, ang ating, ano. Thank you for watching. Yala, bye-bye.